Okay, today's topic is refraction through lenses or lens. Refraction through a lens. What is a lens? First thing is that what is a lens first. Okay, a lens is a optical transparent medium. It is a optical transparent medium. You can write a optical transparent medium. Medium which is bounded by two or one spherical surfaces. Two or one spherical surfaces. Clear? Two spherical surfaces, one, more correctly I'll write it, two spherical surfaces or one spherical, one plane surface, very accurately. Two spherical surfaces or one spherical and one plane surface. Means what? See, okay, a lens is optical transparent medium. That means both the surfaces are not plane. Both the surfaces are not plane. It is optical transparent medium which is bounded by two spherical surfaces or one spherical and one plane surface. Clear? According to the nature, lenses are two types. Types of lens. According to the nature, there are two types. One is convex lens. Second is convex lens, or it is also called as a converging lens. Convex lens or converging lens. Second one is a concave lens. Concave or diverging lens. Clear? What is convex lens or converging lens? First we'll discuss. Convex lens. Yes. Convex lens is converging. Okay. Are you clear? Okay, let's come. A lens which converges a parallel beam of light is called converging lens or convex lens. There are two definitions you can write. A lens which is thick at the middle and thin at the edges, that is called converging lens. Or you can write a lens which converges a parallel beam of light is called converging lens. A lens which is thick at this, okay, which converges a parallel beam of light is called convex lens or converging lens also it is called as. It is thick at the center and thin at the edges. Thin at the edges. Okay, clear everybody? Please note down, then I'll show the diagram. Okay. Shall I erase? See, let us see this. This is a lens, convex lens. If a parallel beam of light will come to you, just I'll explain that. So, parallel beam of light, this is the 90-degree surface. As it travels to the denser to rarer to denser medium, it will bend towards the normal. This is the normal here, second surface. As it again denser to rarer, bend away from the normal. It will like this. So all the rays which are coming will bend like this only. All the rays parallel, these are parallel beam of light. It will bend like this. Similarly, this bend ray also coming. This will bend like this. They all will converge to a point. Okay. This is called as a converging lens because it converges. A parallel beam converging means approaching to a common point. That is called a converging lens. I hope I'm clear this part. And this is again further two types according to the number of type of surfaces. Three types. This is further divided into three types. One is a double convex lens. What I drawn now, both the surfaces are convex. Plano convex, one surface is converging, another surface is plane. This is double convex, means both the surfaces are convex. Okay, this is plano convex. This is a concavo convex. Concavo convex. The name convex aerated. Double means its nature is convex. Whatever may be the surfaces, what will happen here? The ray parallel beam of light will converge to a point. Okay, that's why it is called a convex nature. But one surface is plane, that's why you said plano convex. Here one surface is concave in nature, that's why concavo convex. This both the surfaces are convex, that's why double convex we call it. Are you clear? Just here what will happen, there is a word biconvex and double convex. Sir, are they both are same or different? What do you feel? Biconvex, double convex, are they same or different? Same. Asking or saying? Okay. In a book it is given same only, but there is slight difference between them. I'll tell you when after teaching the radius of curvature. Clear? Okay. Now come to the concave lens. Shall I erase this?